Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share you the most important kitchen gadget that I like in my kitchen. Let me introduce you to my rice and grain multi-cooker, which can cook up to 20 rice cups, and this is a 5-quart cooker. This cooker is not like the fancy ones that we find in the store right now. This has the everyday options like white rice, multigrain, steam, cake, saute, and the keep warm setting, which can be very easily used by any beginners who is just starting to cook from home. The outside of this cooker is stainless steel and the inside liner is non-stick. It also comes with attachments like a steaming tray, a spoon and a rice cup, and the steaming tray is BPA free. Using the measuring cup, we can cook up to 10 cups of rice, and that will yield up to 20 cups of rice. If you are using any other measuring cup, just make sure that to adjust the level of rice so that it doesn't overflow. Also, this cooker has a steaming vent, and we should make sure that we are not covering the vent with any other towel or paper because hot steam comes out of it. The other tip which I would like to share is, since this is a non-stick cooker, it's better if we use wooden spoons or wooden spatulas so that we will avoid scratching the cooker, so it will come for a little longer.